Okay, hi students. This is maths class for 7th. Okay. In last class we did till question number 13. We'll start off with question number 14 in this class. Question number 14 says you have to write the following numbers in the form of p by q. I've already solved them, okay, because it's a very simple question. We don't have to spend much time on it. You have to change this into a proper fraction. That's it. 6 into minus 3 is 6 3 is a 18. But 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Then minus 18 plus 5. So you understood how we got minus 18? 6 into minus 3 is minus 18 plus 5. Minus 18 plus 5 is minus 13. Okay, minus 13 by 6. So p by q is, that's it, minus 13 by 6. Question number 2 is very simple. This one. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 by 5 is equal to p by q. Okay. Saved us some time, right? It's very simple. Now, question number 15. Fill in the blanks. How to do it? How to do it? The answer has been mentioned since it's an old book, but we will solve it anyway. Minus 12 by 7 is equal to box by how much? 35. Okay, something is being multiplied by 7. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 7 से कुछ मल्टीप्लाइड हुआ है जो 35 आया है. Now this is equal to 48 by नीचे box. ठीक है. See, here you will have to use your reasoning skill. ठीक है. Well, before we solve this, let me give you an example. ठीक. Example. If there is a box 2 by 2 is equal to 4 by how much? Of course 4, because how did we get 4 here? The 4 has been given, right? So how possibly could this come here? Take and how possibly 4 could come here? By multiplying this by 2. 2 2 is a 4. So if you multiply the numerator with 4, you got to multiply the denominator with the same thing. 4 by 4. Okay, simply there is 35 right here. Okay, so how possibly 7 could go from 7 to 35? 7 5s are 35. Likewise, minus 12 into 5 is 12 5s are 60. Since one number is negative, minus 60. Okay, now when you go to next step, you have to see which is what has been given to us. 48 has been given to us, right? We have to find this. So how minus 60 could go from minus 60 to 48? Now 60 minus how much? 60 minus 12, 22. Sorry, 12. My bad. 12 is 48. Okay, but since there is a negative sign here, we have to add a positive sign in order to subtract 12 from 60. And now minus 60 plus 12. Minus plus, you have to subtract. Okay, 8 4. We'll put the sign of negative. Okay, so minus 12 is wrong. Instead we'll have to do something else. What possibly can we do to bring 48? You can do something. 60 plus 48 is equal to 108. Yes, now see, plus 108 minus 60. Okay, let's solve this, then I will tell you why did I add 108. 8, see, plus minus, so you have to subtract. Okay, we will put the sign later. First you have to subtract it because negative and positive. 4. Okay, now which is the greater number, 10 or 60? 108, and 108 is a positive number. So we will add how much? 108 to it. Take a minus 60 plus 108 is equal to plus 448. We will add 108 to denominator as well. Take a now solve. 108 plus 35. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry 4. 143. Okay, you have to see what has been given to you. वैसे you have to proceed. Likewise, we will do question number 2. You will try at your own. ठीक है, question number 2. हेलमेट पिन ना जा बीता है. Question number 16 now. Question number 16. How to solve question number 16? Question number 16 says find the absolute value of the following. Absolute value means you have to solve it until unless you get the answer in decimal form. ठीक है, 3/8. You have to solve this absolutely, completely, that it cannot be solved further. ठीक है, in a manner. ठीक है, number 8 and number 1, 3/8. So naturally you will divide 3/8. We'll put 0.0. Now a 3s are 24. 6 0. There is a point here. Since there is a point here, we'll automatically put a 0 right here. Now 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 40, 8 7s are 50, 56 4 है ना. Since a point is there, again you'll put a 0. 8 5s are 40. So answer is 0.375. This is the absolute answer of 3/8 है ना. We solved it completely, right? We cannot solve it anymore. We have got remainder 0, so that's the perfect answer. Number 2, 7/10. Okay, I'll not do 7/10. I'll do -9/7. Okay, it's question number 5. 7 by -9. Sorry. Okay, now let's put -9 outside and 7 inside. Put a point naturally. Okay, let's put it here. 0.0. 9 into how much is 70? 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. So you have to multiply how much? -7 है ना, -7. That is how you will get a positive number here. Negative number into negative number, minus into minus is plus. So 9 7s are 63. Okay, now naturally we will subtract because it's a rule of division. Okay, it doesn't have to do with the signs. Into -7 is 63. Let's see if we are not able to solve it in this manner. We will try another method. Okay, again there is a point 70 into -7 63. So this will go on. So let's not put minus sign here. Let's solve it by putting positive signs. Okay, 0.0. Okay, this 0 came by point. Okay, there was 7. We put a point, then 0. -9 into 7 -63. I have to subtract it. Minus plus. ठीक है ना, this was plus minus plus. Let's add them now. 133. We got 133. Okay, Let's see if we can do further. Mm, okay, let's see what's the answer. We just keep solving it. This will go on. Okay. Answer should be, this exercise how much? 3.1. 3.1 16. Check the answer if you will. 16. 7 by 9. Okay. Well, they haven't solved it. Can you see? They have not solved it. And I wonder why. Maybe, okay, maybe we were doing it wrong. Maybe the answer is in positive. That's it. 7 by minus 9 is equal to 7 by 9. This is the exact value, absolute value. How? Let's try solving it now. ठीक है ना? 9 7s are 63. 7.09 7s are 63. Again 7. Take in point. This will go on. When there is a rule in division, when you see a certain process will go on and on, you can you know, again after this one more 7 will come here. So instead of writing 0.777 infinite time, you can end it at 0.77. Okay, this is the answer of this. If you do it in calculator, you will get 0.777 something. Okay. So the question is trying to say us that you cannot solve a fraction when a numerator or denominator is in negative form. Okay. So this is the exact answer, but if we solve it, we will get this. Okay. You can either end it here or you can solve it. Basically what I am trying to say, जितना negative sign है, you have to remove it. वही answer होगा. ठीक है. Just remove the negative sign, then try solving it. ठीक है. Question number 17. Which of the two given rational number is greater? Which of the given two rational number is greater? I think we will have to multiply it by something. How have they done it here? Let's see. Okay, they have cross multiplied. I thought we had to multiply. Number A, 7 by 8, 5 by 6. Now which one of them is greater? You have to cross multiply. This with this, this with this. Okay, 7 into 6 and 5 into 8. 7 6 are 54. Sorry, my bad. 42 and 5 8s are 40. So this one is bigger. Okay, so basically this one is greater. Okay, can you do the rest? Okay, I'll also do question number 4. Question number 4 says 1 by minus 3, 1 by minus 4. Okay, let's cross multiply. 3 minus 4 into plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Same goes with -3 into +1 is equal to -3. Which one is bigger? Obviously -3 is bigger. -3 is bigger. In negative signs, ठीक है ना, the number with negative sign and smaller value is greater actually. कैसे? Practically if you think 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the number line, right? But negative sign starts on the other side and it goes backward. ठीक है? So this is the greatest one. बाकी सब जितना आगे जाएगा कम होते जाएगा. -1 कम होता है कि -2 कम होता है? -2 करोगे तो ज़्यादा कम होगा. ठीक है? -1 इज़ बिगर देन -2. वैसे -3 इज़ बिगर देन -4. ठीक है? इफ़ यू, अगर तुमको जनरली सिखाऊं, जनरल नॉलेज में सिखाऊं, सो 5 - 3 एंड 5 -4. -3 है, -4 है. लेट्स सी. -3 करेंगे 2 आता है, -4 करेंगे 1 आता है. दोनों में से बड़ा कौन सा हुआ? बड़ा वैल्यू इधर आता है ना, तो इसीलिए -3 इज बिगर. ठीक है? ओके, दैट्स इट किड्स. यू विल ट्राई द अदर्स. जो मैंने नहीं किया है ये वाला भी करोगे. इट्स सिंपल एज 17. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, पता चल जाएगा कौन सा बड़ा है. ठीक है? दैट्स योर होमवर्क टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. यहाँ तक होमवर्क है. वी विल डू मोर. ठीक है ना? अंटिल देन, थैंक यू एंड send your homework on my WhatsApp number.